Good morning. Today is Saturday, September 14th, 2024. My name is Erica and I'm with modernaqua. This is Billy. And today is our very first workshop, the Akerbar greenhouse build workshop with our very special guest, Katie Ann. We are super excited. We have almost everything set up, so this morning has just been a little bit of last minute preparations, settling in and getting the shop ready. We are again very excited for this workshop to launch a series of variety of workshops that we'll be hosting. We're also hoping that other local plant people will want to host their own workshops as well. So if you're interested in that, please feel free to reach out to us. We would love to plan with you to provide the space and just kind of that hub for activities. So this morning we grabbed some milk so that we can provide some coffee for our attendees. I also got some pastries for some little treats. And I walked Billy just so that he can have some little decompressing time. So we're really excited. We're kind of ready to go. We still have a couple hours until the attendees will be coming today. But yeah, we wanted to share some behind the scenes and what the event turns out like. And so keep watching if you are interested, and again, more workshops to come.